Now showing them the setup, see? Alright, so this is my 8 grams lure. Killer lure them man. Watch it, watch it. Just killer. Nice jacking this one. Killer lure. So, this is natural. Killer lure. 8 grams. 5 grams. Yeah? And the rod now. The rod is a Sugaling medium light. 7 feet super. Yeah? Paired with a Casking Brutus 4000 size reel. And I have 10-pound braid on it with a 20-pound mono leader paired with a clip so I can easily change my lure. Yeah guys, so let's see it. This is a setup. I'm gonna show you a setup kill. Setup kill a boy. Yeah? Setup kill a boy. So you can use that comparison. I use my hand as comparison. This is about 12 centimeters. Like a ruler stick. Yeah, best up.